Yo, what's up, viewers? Tyler here of Chico Crypto. I'm sitting down with a very, very popular Neo project, DeepBrain Chain. So, introduce yourselves.
首先，请你介绍一下自己。
Okay, thank you. Hello, everyone.
And this is Yong, CEO.
I'm CEO of DeepBrain Chain.
And this is Joya.
My name is Yong.
So, first question I have for you guys is, could you just explain what DeepBrain Chain is for someone who doesn't know?
第一个问题是，能不能向不认识 DBC 的人介绍一下深脑链到底是什么？
好的，谢谢大家。深脑链的话，简单来说就是区块链驱动的人工智能计算平台。
To put it in one sentence, it's a blockchain platform powering AI companies.
Very, very cool. So, could you explain how the value of DeepBrain Chain will be provided to the token holders?
那能不能请你解释一下 DBC 的价值要怎么透过要怎么传播这些价值到手上持有 DBC 币的人？
OK， 就是 DBC 的价值在于说 DBC 怎么解决这个就是我们所要解决的这些问题的。那它解决人工智能行业的两个非常核心的问题呢。
So the value of DBC lies within the fact that we're trying to solve two issues AI companies are facing nowadays, two downfalls that all AI companies are facing.
Okay.
那人工智能有3要素，就是数据、算力、算法。那这3要素其实的花费的成本都非常高的。
There's 3 core elements of AI, which is algorithm, computing, power, and data. And all these elements cost a lot of money.
Really?
对，那我们就解决其中2个很重要的问题，一个就是如何能够让这些 AI 的企业能够有很低的成本进行大规模的神经网络训练。第二的话，如何让这些 AI 企业的数据能够得到保护，能够让整个 AI 行业的数据的隐私问题得到解决呢？
So we're trying to solve 2 main issues. First of all is to reduce the cost on neural network training for AI companies because computational power requires a lot of cost, and also to reduce costs on buying data and at the same time increase security for data that the AI company is trying to buy.
So the blockchain is basically where that security is going to come from, correct?
所以说，您的意思是区块链可以提供这个安全上的保护，是这样子的吗？
是的，对。
Correct.
Correct. Very well. Next question I have is regarding DeepBrain Cloud. How did that come about, and could you explain that for my viewers?
所以他的第2个问题是想要了解 DBC 的云端的网络，你能不能跟观众解释一下 DBC 云端网络是怎么样
OK， 就是 DBC 的话，这个云端的网络的话是由很多的这个挖矿的节点组成的。那每一个的挖矿的节点，通过它贡献的这种神经网络计算单元的计算力，来去获得这个代币的奖励呢。
So the cloud network of DBC is constructed of many different miners, different nodes. So through their computational power, when they're mining for DBC for the cloud network, they will receive the token, which is DBC, as a reward.
对，我们云端的网络会支持这个 AI 的企业能够进行这种计算。那它把它的这个产品就是的算法就是包装成这个一个容器，然后运行在这个深脑链之上呢。
So the miners on DBC will help AI companies optimize this computational and their algorithm and package it into a container so it can run on top of DeepBrain Chain, this blockchain platform.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, could you name some of the actual functions that that computing the cloud will provide for AI?
你能不能讲一下几个功能，就是我们的平台可以替 AI 公司提供的一些功能？具体的
有几块，第一块就是 AI 公司可以上面进行训练，那第二的话 ，AI 公司可以把它的应用程序，这种神经网络计算可以在上面进行就是大规模的这个计算。那这样它用户量特别大的时候，那这个时候就是深脑链能够帮助他们进行这个弹性计算，也就是说能够让用户量大的时候，就是计算节点会多，会为它服务；用户量少的时候，计算节点会少，为它服务。
Okay, so sorry, I'm gonna have to ask him to repeat. 你先说第一个答案。
就是第一个就是训练，就是可以给 AI 训
So
练。
the first function is we can help AI companies train the data, train the models.
对，第二个就是能够帮助更多的 AI 企业进行计算。
to help more AI companies do their computational.
对，
yes.
当它用户量特别大的时候，就可以
So when
帮它
there's
去调节它的
a
计
lot
算
of
能力的。
users, we can elevate their stress on having to compute so much users' data.
第二的话就是 AI 企业可以在上面去购买，比如说数据啊，是吧？然后这个数据的隐私问题嘛也会得到保护的。
Another thing is AI companies can also buy data on DBC platform, and these data are secured and protected for their privacy.
Wow, secured through the blockchain. So does DeepBrain Chain have plans of creating their own blockchain, or will they be using NEOs for the
所
future?
以生长链有计划要做自己的区块链吗？还是会用 NEO 的？
生长链的就是代币是在基于利用上发布的，然后生长链的这个就是挖矿的这个机制，就是也是的智能合约也是在利用上写的。但是呢，生长链的就是链本身是和利用是分开的。
So DBC's token is released and works on the NEO system, and also
它的挖矿
for
的软件，
mining
对
app
这个就是智能合约是
and
在利
smart
用上写
contract
的。
also
对啊
runs on NEO,
Yeah.
but the chain itself is separated
It's
from
going to be a
NEO.
separate
对，
chain.
但是挖矿软件和挖矿本身的是在生长链里面做的。那
But mining apps and the action of mining itself is within DBC.
Wow, that's amazing. So will DBC support other various AI platforms such as Torch or MX Next?
所以
对
DBC 会支持这些其他的 AI 的
是的，
平台
是的，
Yes.
不光支持这么多，还会支持像这个咖啡、TensorFlow 等等，我们都会去支持的。
We'll support even more than that, such as Cafe and TestFloor. We'll support them as well.
Wow, those are on the way? Wow,
这
that's
些事
awesome.
情已经在进行当中了吗 Yes,
That's
they're on the
awesome.
way.
That's awesome. So let's talk about the roadmap for DBC. How is the progress going? What do you guys see happening in the next year?
那我们聊一下 DBC 未来的蓝图嘛？今年2018年会有什么计划？有
对，
些目标
2018年就是几个非常重要的事情。
There's a few very important stages for 2018.
应该说分两块，啊，
They are categorized into two
对
types.
一块是产品和技术，啊，
First of all is our product and our technology,
一块是市场的。
and the second part is the market.
在产品和技术的话，就是我们在第二季度末会进行内部的整个的测试，啊，
For the first part, which is our product, we will do internal testing at the end of second season,
Okay.
在我们计划就是在第三季度末能够把我们的挖矿软件开放出来，
and we
啊，
plan to release our mining app at the end of season 3.
Wow.
对，能够让更多的让 AI 企业进来，可以在上面进行训练的。
To let more AI companies to be able to train on the platform.
同时的话，DBC 的代币现在已经开始在一些的，就是 To C 的产品里面开始应用起来了啊。
什么是 to C?
To C 就是用户，
Oh,
对
C
，C 就是用户
So,
client
so
的
the DBC tokens already flowing in among some of the users.
比如说 DeepBrain，
For example, DeepBrain, which is our AI company.
对，就是 DeepBrain 技能商店Skill
Ski
Shop，DeepBrain
shop.
Skill Shop，
Okay, this is
you can use DBC pay buy DBC
Oh, so there's a DeepBrain skill shop which users can already use our token, which is DBC, to buy products on DeepBrain, which is an AI company. So it's already flowing.
Such as skills for AI. Those can be purchased already.
Yes.
Wow, that's great.
OK，
很棒
就这是产品和技术嘛。那第二块呢就是市场。
For the second part,
那市
market.
场的话，在第二季度末的目标是能够在全球100多个国家能够是有超过10万的这个就是社群用户的。
So we plan to have in 100 countries over 100,000 users in the next, well, in this year, in the coming year, in this year.
Wow, well, it sounds like 2018 is the year of DeepBrain Chain.
那时候
So
听起来
people
2018
out there,
年
if you haven't
应该
heard
是
of
我们的
DeepBrain
年
Chain,
度。
I would definitely look into it. One last question I have for you
最后一个
guys,
问
and
题。
it's been burning. I've heard about you guys working with a Mickey Mouse educational robot for them. Could you explain that for me?
他说他听说我们和那个米奇老鼠的教育机器人有一起合作，有一起工作，你能不能解释一下这个情况
OK，这个米奇的老鼠的话，它用的是 DeepBrain 这个大脑啊。
So this Mickey Mouse educational robot, it uses the brain of DeepBrain as its core brain.
那实际上米奇老鼠只是我们现在目前的很多项目中的其中一个。
Mickey Mouse robot is only one of the many products of DeepBrain at the moment.
今年18年会有类似于米老鼠的这样的产品的话，会有上百个产品会出来的。
This year in 2018, there will be hundreds of other similar products to Mickey Mouse Robot released.
对，然后这个像米老鼠这样的产品，它里面内部的这个交易体系用的都是 DBC， 并且我们是面向全球，开始面向全球去做的。
So the system and the brain in products such as Mickey Mouse Robot, they all use the tech and the brain of DeepBrain, and our target client is the entire globe.
Oh, wow.
对，所以说 DeepBrain 是这个生长链上面的一个非常重要的一个人工智能的一个应用。
So DeepBrain, this AI company, is very important to DBC because it's actually an AI company application using the DeepBrain Chain.
对，然后它也是一个重要的范例，能够让后面更多的 AI 企业能够参考它怎么去使用 DeepBrain Chain 呢？
It is also a very important example for other AI companies to see how they can use and apply on DBC.
Okay. Well, actually, one last question. Have
最后一个问题。
you ever heard of Skynet?
你有听过 Skynet
Is
吗？
DeepBrain trying to
Okay.
create Skynet?
他说 DBC 是不是试图在打造 Skynet？
你说我们试图在打造人工智能网络。
We're trying to build an AI network.
Of course, of course. That's what I like to hear. Well, you
他喜欢
guys,
听到这种
thank you
答
so
案。
much for the
谢谢
interview.
你。
It was a great one, and I'm going to be
很感
throwing
谢。
it over to
Thank you.
Crypto Love and Hash Puppies, baby.